die. Come on, listen, yo. You see this life in a fairy tale, there's no happy ending. Only heartaches and pain after the breakup. You're still the one I'm missing, though it's hard to move on when your voice and name is tattooed in my brain. Damn, I took your pictures on my walls, hoping it will help, but it made it worse, make me miss you even more. So what could I do? Here we go, I look at it, reminds me of you. Damn girl, I can't
自己走肉比孤寂寞够，路线默默比人家寄托早给冇说，你有寂寞够的故，西路西路。
Ever since the day we met, I always knew we were meant to be. Ever since the day I saw you, I knew you and me will make the cutest couple in the world. But now you left, but what am I to say? All the times that we shared, what's the best? I didn't understand why you chose this route. Now I'm standing here and all alone with no one to hold but our memories. Looking back at our pictures, making miss you even more.
自己走肉比孤寂寞够，路线默默比人家寄托早给冇说，你有寂寞够的故，西路西路。
Late night talking on the phone makes me miss you even more, especially our connection. You and I were the perfect combination. Everywhere in place I touch you, there is no more you. I miss the times you call me your baby boo. But life isn't fair, he took my everything away. I know he needed you, but don't he know I need you more? I really want you, baby, so this is what I'm asking for. If you need me to, please